Samsung Week is here, and it's the perfect time to upgrade to the Galaxy S23. For a limited time, you can save up to $600 on the Galaxy S23 by trading in an older device. That means you can get the Galaxy S23 for as low as $199, which is the price of a Galaxy A14. The Galaxy S23 is Samsung's compact flagship phone, and it's packed with features. It has a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz display with 1750 nits of peak brightness, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 Galaxy chip, and a 50MP primary camera paired with a 10MP telephoto sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide. To get the Galaxy S23 for $199, simply trade in an eligible device and apply the enhanced trade-in value at checkout. The trade-in value may vary depending on the condition of your device, but you can save up to $600 on the Galaxy S23. Here are some of the benefits of the Galaxy S23. Compact size and lightweight design. Powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 Galaxy chip. Bright and vibrant 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz display. Versatile triple-lens rear camera system with 50MP main sensor. Long-lasting battery life. If you're looking for a compact and powerful flagship phone, the Galaxy S23 is the perfect choice. And with enhanced trade-in values available during Samsung Week, you can save up to $600 on the device.